Doing the best you can to end 2020 on a good note.
Even if I went broke, I still be the GOAT. I ain't religious, but I know Jesus and I know the Pope. If you wanna hang, I'll show you the ropes.
Hello, welcome back to Royally Unapologetic, where I keep you up on all things self-awareness. Make sure you have subscribed. If you are new, welcome to the channel. I hope you really enjoy. We are on a journey to self-awareness. We are on a journey to self-love and self-embracement. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we are going to discuss journaling. Why you should journal and why you should implement journaling. So I'll be talking about two different types of journaling. You will have personal journaling, where you will share your emotions and just how you feel. And then your second one, which would be your manifestation journal. So, and don't think, guys, you cannot have a personal journal, because you can, because y'all probably do need to be writing some of y'all anger issues out. But that's not any shade. That's just literally the truth. Y'all probably should be doing it. So, for your personal journal, you know, it can just be a notebook, a composition book, whatever it is. You know, you can just use it to reflect on your day, reflect on how your emotions, reflect on how somebody tried you, reflect on a good thing you did that day. Even if you don't write in it daily, it's just somewhere where you can go to share your thoughts, but they still remain private. Because at the end of the day, that's the issue. It's like you want to share your thoughts, but you don't really know who to share it to, because it's like, can I trust them? Do I even want to share this? Am I going to be judged for this? Like with the journal, a personal journal, you're able to express how you feel with no judgment. You can share it, but it still be private, because you are sharing it, because you're able to read back on how you felt. But even with sharing it and keep it to yourself, but it's also a good way to document your growth, because you can like look back and be like, oh, I used to be this angry. Oh, I worked through this. I did this. I concluded this. So personal journaling really does help with you just figuring things out and getting it out of your head so that you can make it make sense. It allows you to get a sense of what you want to say. The second journal is a manifestation journal. A manifestation journal can also be your goals journal, can also be your plans for your life journal. This is the journal. This is mine. It's kind of thick, not even gonna lie. But that's just because I have it like split up. But you know, can have your manifestations, your goals that you want for yourself personally, goals that you want for yourself like financially, mentally, physically, spiritually, all that. You're able to, you know, manifest. You write down what you want, you believe what you want, you writing down the goals you see for yourself, your plans. But also, aside from manifesting, you're also planning it's basically like your blueprint for, you can use it for your blueprint for your goal that you're working towards. You need a plan of action. You can't just manifest something and then not work towards it. That's just like with praying. You can't pray for something, for God to do something for you, and you just sit there. You can't say, God, I need a job, but you're not applying to anything. How is a job gonna come? Like, you're not saying, oh, I need a job, I'm looking, like, you're not trying. Like, you get what I'm saying? You can't, that's the type of things you can't do. You can't manifest and pray and do all this stuff and not actually put in work, because faith without works is dead. And the same goes for manifestation. You have to work towards what you're doing. You can't just say, oh, I want to be a millionaire, and you're not specifying. You get what I'm saying? Like, okay, you want to be a millionaire, Monopoly? You get what I'm saying? So you're able to write down your manifestations, your plans, your aspirations. But when you write them down, believe them. Don't write them and then be like, yeah, but that's not gonna happen, but I'm still gonna write it. Because that's not how you manifest things. You manifest it because you believe in, you know you deserve it, you know you're worthy. But yeah, those are just some quick little tips to ensure that you are taking care of yourself and really just, you know, doing the best you can to end 2020 on a good note. Because y'all, we almost in 2021, and I'm speaking positivity, gratitude, amplitude, abundance over my life and over y'all's too. So y'all have a great day and reach out this thing.